Hi, I'm Joe Hedzicki, inventor of the Revolution Kite. We've made some modifications to our Reflex Spring system. Let's take a look at some of the new features. The new spring system is removable, so pop the cap, pop the Velcro, slide off your spring, put the cap back on, and you go from Reflex to old school in a few seconds. A few more points are, the spring is replaceable, so if you lose your shaft or you lose a spring or you wear out one or break it, you can simply slide your spring off, get your new shaft and slide it back on. You're back in business. Another point is the spring is interchangeable, so you can, for example, take it off of this shaft and put it onto this shaft. So what I just noticed is we just changed from a 5/16 RX shaft to a 1/4 inch green raise, so you can use them interchangeably. Now any shaft in your bag becomes a spare shaft. The last thing I like is you can rotate the spring on the shaft. So the spring should be rotated on the inside of the wing, so this would be set up for the left wing. You can move it over and now it's set up for the right wing. Although the reflex system affects the stability of your rev in many different ways, the easiest way to see that effect is in the float. Watch this. Did you see how quickly that rev lifted up? Now watch this. By adjusting your spring position, you can change the flight dynamic of your Revolution. Let's now watch this float. Now you're in total control. Okay, let's assemble our spring system. So we have 2 rings. I want you to go through the inside ring first, and I want you to put it on so that the spring is opening. See how that's opening as opposed to this? This is closing. So put it on so it's opening. Put the second ring on. We have a retaining O-ring. I want you to put that on top. We can lock that spring in place. Then put your cap on. Line up your spring with the Velcro. We're on the wrong side of the shaft, so let's spring it, put it over the other side. We want to be on the inside of the wing. Then bring your retaining ring down to hold it in place, and you're ready to go. All right, now that you've got the best equipment, be sure to join Club 38. We'll take your skills to the next level. We'll see you out there on the field.